Vivo T3 5G chipset and other details confirmed ahead of March 21st launch. All details. Vivo is all set to launch its new smartphone, the Vivo T3 5G, on March 21st. The smartphone is confirmed to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor. Vivo is gearing up to launch a new smartphone on March 21st. The Vivo T3 5G will finally be making its debut, and ahead of the launch, several details about the smartphone have been confirmed by the brand. Until now, it was being speculated that the Vivo T3 5G will run on MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset. Now, a couple of days before the launch, the brand has confirmed that this rumor is true. The phone will indeed be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor. Vivo's recent social media post reads, "Lag is a thing of the past for the new Vivo T3 5G. Experience next-level speed and multitasking with the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor and #GetSetTurbo." Vivo has already confirmed that it will launch its new T-series smartphone in India next week. Vivo will launch the Vivo T3 5G smartphone in the country on March 12. The company claims that the smartphone will offer best-in-class camera and dual stereo speakers in the price segment. Now ahead of the launch, the company has revealed an important detail about the upcoming smartphone. The Chinese smartphone maker has confirmed that the Vivo T3 5G smartphone will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset. Vivo's online sales partner Flipkart posted a teaser on the microsite revealing the detail. The teaser revealed that the smartphone scored 734K plus score on Antutu and claims that it is the fastest in the price segment. Vivo has not disclosed much information about the device at this time, but has promised to reveal the camera details on March 18. The T-series from Vivo brings gaming-focused chops on a budget, and that seems to be the case with the upcoming T3 as well. The phone is confirmed to come rocking a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor for a seemingly lag-free gaming experience without breaking your bank. The same chip is also seen inside the recently launched iQOO Z9. In fact, there's a good chance that the Vivo T3 will share a lot of its hardware with the Z9, with a few minor differences here and there. As far as the specifications are concerned, the Vivo T3 5G is anticipated to come with a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of brightness. It's confirmed to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity series chipset, but the company hasn't disclosed the specific model. Speculations suggest it could be equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Society. In terms of memory, the smartphone is expected to offer 8GB RAM with storage options of either 128GB or 256GB. As per reports, it may sport a 50MP Sony IMX882 main camera, a 2MP bokeh lens along with a flicker sensor. It's speculated to come with a 16MP front camera for selfies and video calls. The Vivo T3 5G is expected to house a 5000 mAh battery with support for 44W flash charge technology. Other anticipated features include dual stereo speakers, an IP54 rating for durability, a microSD card slot, and more. Vivo T3 5G's price in India is speculated to be around 20,000 rupees, based on leaks. We will learn more about the phone's official price and specifications during the launch on March 21st. The chipset will pair with up to 8GB of RAM, and the device will run Android 14 out of the box. The smartphone will also sport a Full HD Plus display with a screen density of 440 ppi. The renders reveal that the phone will come with slightly thick bezels on the sides. It is said to have an AMOLED display with a centered punch hole cut out to house the selfie camera. The power button and volume rockers will be placed on the right side of the device. The smartphone is set to have an AMOLED display, including a centered punch hole for the selfie camera. The power button and volume rockers are located on the right side of the handset. Ahead of its launch, Vivo has also shared insights into the chipset, pricing, and camera specifications of the Vivo T3 5G. The Chinese smartphone brand's upcoming Vivo T3 was spotted on the Google Play console with the V2334 model number. This listing also revealed some of the key specs of the smartphone. The Vivo T3 visited the database with the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 SoC, which is paired with 8 GB of RAM. The device runs on the Android 14 OS-based FunTouch OS 14 custom skin out of the box. This Google Play console certification even lists some of the display specifications of the new device. The Vivo T3 will sport a full HD Plus display that has a 2400x1080 resolution and a 440 ppi pixel density. We can see an image of the handset as well, which offers us a glimpse of its rear and front design. We can see a punch-hole cutout display that is surrounded by noticeable bezels on all four sides. Meanwhile, the rear features a vertically stacked triple camera setup with an LED flash module. To recall, the Vivo T3 is set to be announced in India on March 21. This model is rumored to sport a tall 6.67-inch AMOLED screen that has a 120Hz refresh rate, full HD Plus resolution, and 1800 nits of peak brightness. The primary sensor on the rear is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 camera. This main camera is paired with a 2-megapixel bokeh lens, while the front features a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. So stay tuned for more, as we will be covering the launch event later this week. Display and design. The Vivo T3 5G is expected to sport a large 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This translates to a crisp viewing experience and silky smooth visuals, perfect for gaming and scrolling. The phone is rumored to come in a sleek design with a glossy finish, available in at least two color options, cosmic blue and a crystal flake variant. Performance. Under the hood, the Vivo T3 5G is confirmed to pack a MediaTek Dimensity series processor. Speculations suggest it will be the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 SoC, a capable chip for everyday tasks and even some light gaming. It's likely to be paired with 8 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 128 GB to 256 GB. The phone might also offer virtual RAM expansion for improved multitasking. Vivo will launch the forthcoming T-series smartphone in crystal flake and cosmic blue colors. The crystal flake and cosmic blur shades will measure 7.95mm and 7.83mm in thickness and will weigh 188 and 185.5 grams, respectively. The upcoming smartphone is said to debut in the sub-20,000 rupees segment in India. The Chinese smartphone brand will debut the smartphone with a design similar to its predecessor. According to the photos leaked by Ambhor, Vivo will equip the smartphone with a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with FHD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 1800 nits peak brightness, and a centered punch-hole cutout to house the selfie camera. The MediaTek Dimensity 7200 SoC will be paired with 8 GB of RAM. It will come in two storage options of 128 GB and 256 GB. Vivo will also equip the device with a virtual RAM tech that can expand the RAM by 8 GB. The centered punch-hole cutout in the display will house the 16-megapixel selfie camera with AF 2.45 aperture. The smartphone will be backed by a 5000 mAh battery with support for 44W flash charge wired charging tech. The Vivo T3 5G is anticipated to feature a flat display and a triple rear camera system based on shared images, potentially powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor, distinguishing it from the iQOO Z7 5G. Flipkart's microsite confirms dual stereo speakers and a MediaTek Dimensity chipset, while rumors hint at a 6.67-inch FHD plus 120Hz AMOLED display. Camera specs include a 50-megapixel Sony primary camera, a 2-megapixel bokeh lens, and a flicker sensor, with a possible 16-megapixel selfie camera. A 5000 mAh battery with 44W fast charging is anticipated. Aimed at providing flagship features at an affordable price around 20,000 rupees, the Vivo T3 5G may offer 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, an IP54 rating, and color choices of crystal flake and cosmic blue. As the countdown to the launch event begins, anticipation mounts as consumers eagerly await the opportunity to experience the Vivo T3 5G firsthand. With its promise of unparalleled performance and seamless connectivity, this device has the potential to leave a lasting impression on the Indian smartphone market, cementing Vivo's position as a trailblazer in the industry. On the rear panel, we can see a rectangular camera module. The module appears to include 2 cameras, a flicker sensor, and an LED flash. On the right side, there will be a volume controller and a power button. Recently, a tipster revealed that the upcoming Vivo T3 5G smartphone model is expected to be equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Society. The T3 5G handset could feature a 120Hz AMOLED display. For photography, the upcoming device will likely house a Sony IMX882 primary camera. Moreover, the T3 5G is expected to run on Android 14 OS. It's important to note that these specifications of the Vivo T3 5G smartphone model are based on a leak, so we suggest taking them with a pinch of salt. Mark your calendars, tech buffs. Calling all mobile gamers and anyone seeking a powerful and feature-packed mid-range phone, Vivo has finally confirmed the launch date for its highly anticipated T3 5G in India. Get ready to experience blazing fast 5G speeds, a stunning display, and a camera that won't disappoint, all at an attractive price point. Vivo V30. The Vivo V30 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC, while the Vivo V30 Pro has the Dimensity 8200 chip at the helm. Another notable difference between the two phones is in the camera department. The V30 Pro's camera system was co-developed with Zeiss, making it the first V-series smartphone to come with Zeiss optics and portrait styles. It also sports a 50 megapixels 50mm telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. The Vivo T3 5G is designed to cater to the needs of modern consumers, offering a blend of performance, photography, and durability. With its MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor, the device promises smooth performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. The 120Hz AMOLED display ensures a fluid and immersive viewing experience, while the 50 megapixels main camera with OIS is poised to deliver stunning photographs and videos. The addition of a large 5000 mAh battery with 44W flash charge means you can stay connected longer, and the IP54 rating assures durability against dust and water exposure. Furthermore, the device's support for multiple 5G bands ensures it is future-proofed for evolving network standards. Target consumer demographics. Vivo seems to have designed the T3 5G with a broad consumer base in mind. It targets not only tech-savvy individuals seeking the latest in smartphone technology but also the general populace looking for reliable, future-proof devices. Its camera features, coupled with robust performance capabilities, appeal to content creators and social media enthusiasts. Meanwhile, its large battery life and fast charging make it ideal for professionals and students who rely on their phones for extended periods. Standing against competitors. In the mid-range segment, the Vivo T3 5G faces stiff competition from brands like Xiaomi, Realme, and Samsung, each of which has a strong presence in India. However, Vivo's emphasis on photography, with features like a 50 megapixels main sensor and OIS, alongside the inclusion of a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, gives it an edge in performance and camera quality. The addition of features such as IP54 dust and water resistance, and the support for multiple 5G bands, further distinguishes it from other offerings in the same price range. Price and availability. While the exact launch date is yet to be officially confirmed, expectations are high for a release by the end of March 2024. The speculated price point of around 20,000 Indian rupees positions the Vivo T3 5G as a strong contender in the mid-range segment, offering advanced features at an accessible price point. The Vivo T3 5G is shaping up to be a compelling addition to the 5G smartphone market, combining robust specifications with affordable pricing. Its focus on performance, camera quality, and connectivity is poised to make it a popular choice among tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. As the official launch approaches, anticipation for the Vivo T3 5G continues to build, promising to deliver an exceptional mobile experience. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, touch with our Vivo T3